rules for being home alone. Hey Charles, your mother and I had to run off to get some paperwork done. We left soon after you left for school. Please follow these set of instructions to avoid hurting yourself. 1. Do not, at all, ring the doorbell. I know you just reached home, and are really tired, but ringing the doorbell is a big number. It will alert them of your presence. I have left a spare key under the doormat. Take that and quietly open the door. If you ring the doorbell, immediately run off to a crowded area, or any area that's away from home for that matter. 2. Slowly creep your way into the house, and go upstairs. The stairs are odd to creak, so if you make any noise, pray that they are still asleep. 3. Go to your room, but before opening the door, put your ear to it. 3a. If you put your ear and hear nothing, do not fear. Enter calmly into your room and lock the door. 3b. If you hear breathing behind the door, immediately exit the house. Do not bother being quiet. They are inside your room, waiting for you. 4. I have left snacks for you there. Do and 0t eat them. I knew you would be hungry, but if you see the bowl, shattered on the ground, pray that they are not inside, with you. 5. You should be safe until 4 p.m. That's when they start normally waking up. They will scout the house, looking for you. Do not make any sort of noise. Do not use the bathroom, either. 6. If you hear your mother telling you to open the door because she has brought food, do not. She is not your mother. She is an entity. If you open the door, prepare for the worst. 7. I will bang on your door, demanding to be let in. That is not me. That is someone else. The door will not be able to hold down me, so hide under your bed. Do not even think about hiding in your closet, but come out immediately after you hear my footsteps at the bottom of the stairs, or the one below will drag you to the pits of the damned. 8. At any point, our dog, Richard, will be scratching and whimpering at your door. Do not open the door. We do not own a dog. 9. As the clock strikes 6 o'clock, prepare for the worst. Immediately close the blinds and lock your closet door. We have a lock installed there for a reason. Your room should be dark. The one inside will not be able to see you. If you hear a knocking on the closet, he has seen you. Open the window and jump out. You may break a bone or two, but what the one outside will do to you is much better than what her brother would do. 10. It's 6:30. Look out the window. If the sky is the regular color, refer to Rule 16. If the sky is an odd shade of blue, everything is not going correctly. We should arrive in an hour or two. 11. Mother will come at this time demanding you to open the door but providing no reason. As always, open it. She is not strong enough to break down the door. Stay shut. 12. We should arrive at 7 o'clock. If you hear us at the door, telling you to open it, do not. That is not us, or is it? Check the time. It is 6:42.